Poplar Island is a massive project that's taken not only decades of resources, but manpower too. And in the end, it'll look a lot like this here, an open habitat for wildlife to thrive. It begins from the sky above, a look down onto Poplar Island. Dredge material brought and placed here in this part of the mid-Chesapeake Bay for more than 20 years. At one point, the island whittled down to just 5 acres from erosion and sea level rise, now brought back to life to over 1,700 acres. From the bay, we join a crew by boat. Arriving minutes later, we then take a ride, a first glimpse of Poplar Island. Once a campsite for War of 1812 British warships and even a presidential retreat, the island now serves as home to wildlife.
We have birds, we have mammals, we have fish, invertebrates, entire ecosystem here on Poplar Island.
These habitats are designed with intent, each built for specific animals where biologists research.
Over 400 different species of wildlife, including the diamondback terrapin, have been documented, and almost 40 different birds have been confirmed nesting on site. The talk will cover a variety of topics pertaining to Poplar Island, including a little bit of its history, the beneficial use of dredged material for habitat restoration, salt marsh habitat, and construction timeline.
But restoration has helped more than just the environment.
All of the federal channels that lead into the Port of Baltimore need to be dredged.
Dredging has helped expand Maryland's waterways, clearing the path for large ships headed towards the Port of Baltimore.
It's a value to the taxpayer that we can use it both for commercial, jobs, and environmental coastal restoration.
It's considered a win-win. It's one of those things where it's not just an ecological success story, but it's also an economical success story.
Back on Poplar Island, the team here says it is decades of resources and passion, bringing an island nearly wasted away back to life.